Okay, Groovy Space, and today we are in Heidelberg, Victoria 3081. We got a first floor unit, and here is the loading bay. You park your car where the truck is, you walk up this way. And this unit is on the first floor, but the loading bay is on the same level. Down this corridor, where that metal sheeting is lying flat, that is where the unit here is. It's about 70 steps. The unit is the second door. The size of this unit is 3 meter wide by 3 meter deep and 3 meter high. So it's here, just down there, and end of this on the right hand side. Okay, this is some sort of metal, I think. Okay. More likely this is a commercial kind, plus some of the personal inside here. It's a bench drill press, and this is a bicycle. No brand on the bicycle, we just can't locate it. You can tell you the gear is Shimano. So looking at the unit now. There's a lot of metals here. Various types. Must be an oven there. Could be recycled metals. And there's a huge tire and a rim. One rim, and it looks like it could be the same. Okay, we're going to go on the right side. And we got this wooden flat tall piece. One box of gas mask. And behind all this, It's quite a number of boxes as well. Again, this is in Heidelberg, Victoria 3081. Once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit. Once you clear the unit, we'll refund you back the $250 cash deposit. There's no warranty, there's no test. We have not tested any of the products, so not sure whether does this work or not. So there's no warranty or guarantee. Once the auction closes, you got 5 days to pick it up, please. And okay, this is on the first floor, but the loading bay is on the same level. If I've not mentioned earlier, there's a $250 cash deposit. Once you empty the unit, we'll refund you back the $250 cash only deposit. Thank you for watching.